Hello, friends. I'm Casey Hamlin. I'm so happy you're here with me today. For years, my hot tub has been my daily escape, a place of comfort and calm. I'm not here to sell you anything, just to share what this simple routine has brought into my life. I'm not a doctor, just someone sharing an honest experience. Think of this as a cozy chat about what has worked for me. Maybe you'll find a little inspiration or comfort for your own journey. Let's take a deep breath, leave the worries of the day behind, and explore why this warm, bubbly water means so much to me. No secrets, no exaggerations, just real and simple joys. I'm thankful to share this moment with you. Let's get started. Our bodies carry the burden of the day, especially our backs. For me, the hot tub is like a gentle hug that releases tension. The warmth finds those stubborn knots and slowly persuades them to relax. It's like dipping a stiff paintbrush into warm water. Patience brings relief. True to the saying, in tranquility lies strength. The jets provide a soothing massage and drive away stiffness after long days. It's nothing dramatic, just a quiet, steady comfort, like a cozy evening on the couch with a good book. When you get out, you feel lighter, as if a burden has been lifted from your shoulders. Even if the pains return, you've treated yourself to a moment of peace. It's a simple and beautiful relief. On difficult days, this little ritual is a gift to yourself, like a piece of chocolate cake after a tough week. Sometimes that's all you need, and that is enough. Our joints work hard, and over time they become stiff. In the hot tub, the buoyancy takes the weight off. Suddenly, you're almost floating. Knees, hips, and ankles finally get a break. The warmth penetrates, relieving stiffness and promoting movement. It's like oiling a rusty hinge, subtle but effective. After a bath, my movements are smoother, less hesitant. Especially in the morning, this ritual helps me shake off stiffness and prepare for the day. It's an advantage to work with your body, not against it. You start the day with comfort and ease. That's a beautiful start to any day. The improvement is subtle, but it changes everything. You don't fight against your own body, you support it. That's the real magic. Every day feels a little brighter, and that's worth celebrating. Our minds are often full of worries and noise, like a busy train station. The hot tub is my safe place, a spot to clear my head, like a walk in the woods. The warmth tells us it's okay to slow down. The outside world fades away, like closing the door to a cozy room with a fireplace. Here, thoughts float by like clouds. You don't have to chase after them, like a lost balloon. Fear loses its power in the safety of the water, like a tiny pebble in the ocean. The body relaxes and tells the brain, we're safe. Problems shrink, and you get a fresh look at things, like the sun coming out after a storm. This calm moment is a bridge between crazy times and peace, like a calm lake in the mountains. It's a daily reminder that peace is always there for us, like a good book in the evening. Everyone needs a safe place when things get tough. This is mine, and it can be yours too. Maybe your very own relaxing drink for your mind. An evening soak is my signal that the day is done. The warmth raises your body temperature, and as it cools down, your brain gets the message, it's bedtime. After a soak, my nights are deeper and more restful than a feather bed sleep. Less tossing and turning, less waking up with racing thoughts. The relaxation from the water carries me right into the night. You really wake up refreshed, ready for a new day. Good sleep makes the world look brighter. It's a simple secret for a better morning. Sometimes the best solutions are the simplest ones. A small ritual, a big difference. That's the real beauty. Our bodies have their own unique rivers, our circulation. The warm water helps this flow get going, opening up blood vessels and spreading a pleasant warmth. You feel it as a pleasant tingling, a quiet vitality, like after a nice walk in nature. Good circulation supplies tired muscles with oxygen and nutrients, helping them to recover. It's a gentle, natural energy boost, completely without caffeine, just quiet strength, like a peaceful morning by a lake. You step out refreshed, your skin radiant. The body recovers quietly while you relax. A wonderful partnership, like a good book and a cozy blanket. Sometimes the simplest things are the best. We all need a place that belongs only to us. For me, the hot tub is that island of calm. No phones, no emails, just warm water and my thoughts. In this quiet, new ideas pop up, or sometimes my mind just gets to rest. This is being mindful in action. Being right here, feeling things, listening. This isn't being selfish, it's really important. We fill up our energy, connect with ourselves again, and go back to the world stronger. Everyone deserves a peaceful spot, a refuge, as we say in Germany. Mine just happens to have lots of bubbles. Find your own little world. It makes a huge difference. You might think a bath would make you tired, but it actually does the opposite. The hot tub helps me feel new again, so I start each day with more get up and go. It's not a sudden burst of energy, but a steady, dependable flow, like a good drink you sip slowly. Feeling rested means more energy for doing things in life, whether it's working in the garden or taking a walk in the woods. This creates a good cycle. Rest, get your energy back, be active, and do it all again. My energy stays more even, and I don't feel tired as often. It's a quiet benefit that you notice over time, like how a good home remedy works. You just feel good most days, like after a long walk in the mountains. This constant energy is a real treasure. It's the base for a happy and productive life, as important as being on time for some people. The world offers a pill for every little ache, but I've found comfort in something much simpler. My hot tub is my natural medicine, just water and warmth. When I'm hurting, I get in the tub instead of reaching for medicine. It's a proactive, gentle way to help my body heal itself. I listen to my body more now, and I rely less on quick fixes. This connection has changed how I take care of myself. The hot tub is my first line of defense. The simple natural comfort is incredibly powerful. Sometimes the best solutions are right in our own backyard. The hot tub isn't just for alone time, it's a place to connect. The warm water breaks down walls, distractions disappear. Some of my best conversations happen here with family and friends. Generations come together, sharing stories and laughter. It's less formal, more intimate, shoulder to shoulder, not across a table. The hot tub becomes the heart of our home, a gathering spot. We celebrate, support, and reconnect here. The most important things in life aren't things, they're people. Creating a space for connection is a beautiful thing, and it all starts with some bubbling water. When you really think about it, all these small good things really add up. Less pain, better sleep, time for yourself, feeling close to others. All of it makes life richer. It's not about a sudden big change, but a slow, quiet one that keeps going. This daily habit makes you feel better and helps you get through even tough days. It's about the little joys, a warm bath, waking up without pain, a deep chat. These are the moments that make life worth living. The hot tub is my tool to add more joy to every single day. Sometimes you find happiness in the simplest routines, and that, all by itself, is a masterpiece. And so we come to the end of our time together. For me, the hot tub isn't a luxury, but a simple tool for my well-being. The real magic lies in how you use it, with simplicity and consistency. Small, consistent habits make the biggest difference. Be there for yourself, day after day. Find the simple comforts and make them a part of your world. Thank you for sharing this time with me. I wish you all the best and much joy with your bathing. Thank you for watching Casey's Travel Magic. I truly appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It truly helps the channel grow. And if you'd like to support the channel, you can buy me a coffee. You'll find the link in the description. Before you go, I'd also like to warmly invite you to my music channel, Casey Lofi Cafe, where you'll find relaxing background music made with much love. God bless you, and I'll see you on the next adventure.